Meaning of fieldworker.
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 Fieldworker. A fieldworker is someone who works in a specific location or area to gather information, conduct research, or perform tasks related to a certain field of work. This type of worker is typically employed in industries such as agriculture, forestry, mining, geology, ecology, and social services. Fieldwork can involve collecting data, taking measurements, performing experiments, conducting surveys, or providing services to clients in remote locations. Field workers must be knowledgeable about the specific field they work in and be able to adapt to working in varied environments and conditions. Overall, fieldwork plays an important role in advancing scientific knowledge and improving various industries.